Hello students, here's a question from jeeadvance 2020 which says, let capital S be the set of all complex numbers Z satisfying the given equation, then the minimum value of mod of Z1 minus Z2 whole square is, where Z1, Z2 belong to the capital S set and real part of Z1 is positive and real part of Z2 is negative. So we start by looking at the given equation, which is Z power 4 minus mod Z power 4 is 4i Z square. Now here, first of all, we should be reminded of the property which is mod z square is equal to z into z conjugate. We are going to use this in place of mod z power 4, which is mod z square squared. So zz bar whole squared. Now the equation becomes like this, from which we can take z square common. So that left hand side becomes like that, and you have 4i z square in the right hand side. We collect the term of z square, and whatever is left is there inside the brackets. So you get something like this. Now this product is equal to 0 means one of the two factors must be 0. So either we have z square equal to 0 or the other factor equal to 0. Now if you look at these two factors one by one, z square 0 means z is 0 and z is 0 means x plus iy is equal to 0 plus 0i, which means real is equal to real, imaginary is equal to imaginary. So x is 0 and y equal to 0. So 0 plus 0i is the solution. On the right hand side, z plus z bar is 2x and z minus z bar is 2iy. This way we get equations like these and you get xy equal to 1 as a result. Now the first solution that we got as 0 plus 0i, that cannot be accepted since in the question it is given the real part of z1 and real part of z2 are positive and negative respectively. But here we are having real part equal to 0, so it is neglected. Talking about xy equal to 1, we know the graph is a rectangular hyperbola whose shortest distances between the two branches is the length of the major axis. Because we can also calculate using application of derivatives, the slope of the tangents or the derivatives are given by minus 1 by x square, which are going to give us minus 1 in case of both x equal to 1, x equal to minus 1. So they are the nearest points. So in either case, we can see the distance between these two is the shortest distance, and therefore this is the minimum value of mod of z1 minus z2. So distance we can calculate using distance formula, and that comes out as 2 root 2 or root 8. So this is the value of mod z1 minus z2, and therefore square of that is 8, which is the answer for our question.